We all are witnessing the amazing progress that Denis Cypriankov is making, and the most important role is of the table practice sessions that Denis is doing. Many people are commenting that Denis is practicing with David Dadikyan and David Larat can easily beat David Dadikyan. So David is not a joke. Yes, I completely agree. David Larat can beat David Dadikyan, but Denis is training with Dadikyan, not competing him. For training purpose, he is a very good training partner for him. Neither too weak nor very strong. Because if Denis will train with someone of his level, then instead of improving faster, he will need more recovery time. And if he train with some weak people, then that table time may not be beneficial for him. So I think it is actually a training advantage that Denis has. However, Devon Larratt also keeps on going to clubs for table time. Now Devon Larratt is calling out Denis Cypriankov for the Legacy Hammer match of left hand as well. And Denis has not responded to it. And the answer would be simply no. Because we all know Denis likes to go with his plans. He rejected Devon's offer for the replacement match of Gennady because he already had the plan of reaching this shape by October. And 1 month is still remaining. And surely more is yet to come from Denis Cypriankov. Right now everything is going well planned for Denis Cypriankov. He is not focusing on Devon's track stock. He is healthy and training good. If we quickly see how Denis improved, then this is the most latest training session of Denis Cypriankov. Just look at that huge hands. Aren't they looking like prime Denis Cypriankov hands? Of course, they are very big and strong now. Just look at this one. This video is about 3 months old, a very weak version of Denis Cypriankov. However, he was able to stop Artem Morozov, but in the second pulling, Morozov was able to dominate him. But if we see a few weeks old pulling between Morozov and Denis, there Morozov has no chance against him. And guys, let me tell you, both the versions of Morozov are healthy in these clips. Now just look at this pulling session of David Dadikyan and Denis, which is also about 3 months old. Denis was able to stop David Dadikyan but was struggling against him. Now if you see his recent practice pull against David Dadikyan, then there is huge difference. Looks like everything is going as per Denis Cypriankov plan. So comment down, whom do you prefer to train with? A stronger opponent or a weaker opponent? Or training with weights is better? That's all for this video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.